Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the tablet. Make sure battery is above 20% or stay plugged in so settings changes aren't interrupted. Once done, swipe down from the top and tap the gear icon to open settings because you'll change system sleep and display behavior there. You should also check settings about tablet to confirm model and Android version. This matters since menu labels differ slightly across Samsung tablets. Make sure to note that before proceeding to display options. You now adjust the core display and sleep controls. Go to Display, tap Screen Timeout and choose a longer duration or never, because this directly prevents automatic shutoff. Next, enable developer options, tap build number 7 times in About, and toggle Stay Awake to keep screen on while charging. This helps during long tasks. Finally, make sure power saving and adaptive battery features are off or configured not to dim the screen, since they can override timeout settings and force the display off. You finish by securing settings that can revert timeouts. Open lock screen and verify secure lock settings don't shorten display time. Make sure always on display and biometric timeouts are set how you want. Then exempt important apps from background optimization in battery app power management so they don't trigger screen sleeps. If problems persist, reboot and clear the settings cache. As a final step, consider a factory reset. If it still fails, the tip is to test another user account or save.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.